Choose a niche and then narrow it down to something specific that you like and you're passionate about. Then ask ChatGPT for 200 video ideas and highlight the ones that you will click on and you will watch. Next, think about the thumbnail and title. My recommendation: use Canva for the thumbnail. Once you made these two things, start with a script. Use a hook right on the start of the video to make the viewers engaged. And try to make the content entertaining and interesting so people won't just click off. Next is editing part. Make the videos smooth and paced so they don't look like Mr. Beast when you make math style content. Now shorts. My recommendation for shorts is not to make them 40 seconds long or more, because the longer the short, the more chance that people will click off. The first 2 or 3 seconds of your short and long form videos, try to hook the viewers so they stay and don't just swipe off. And once you upload the short, look at the view to swipe rate graph. If it's below 65%, then your hook is not really good. Do long form videos twice a week and shorts once a day. Stay consistent and success will come to your channel. And if you want more YouTube tips, subscribe to our channel.